Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Toyota vehicles with the 2.2 diesel engine. This transmission is a 6-speed manual transmission with the transmission code EA63. The transmission on this car is located on the side of the engine. This is the oil filler plug and level plug, and this is the drain plug right there. Before starting to drain the oil, first we need to open the oil filler plug to make sure that after we drain the oil we can fill the oil back in. The oil filler plug is loosened, so now we're going to remove it all the way and then put it back on, and next we're going to drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So this is the drain plug right there. We're going to loosen the drain plug and then remove it, and make sure you get something underneath to catch all the oil. Now we're going to wait for the oil to drain, and then we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Now that the oil has been drained, next we're going to fill the transmission with oil, but first I'll show you in the service manual the drain and refuel locations. You can see where they are on the service manual. And afterwards I'm going to show you the capacity for the manual transmission. It's 2.3 liters. The oil grade is 75W GL4. So next we're going to fill the transmission with oil. First we're going to remove the oil filler plug. That hole is where you fill the fluid, and also that's the level hole as well. So when the oil starts dripping from this hole, that means it's at maximum level. This is my pump that I'm going to use to pump the oil in. I'm going to put one end of the hose into the filler hole and the pump into the bottle with oil. This is the oil that I'm going to be using. It's ELF 75WGL4. So now I'm going to start pumping the oil in. Like we saw in the service manual, the transmission will take about 2.3 liters. Once the oil starts coming out of the filler hole, that means the oil capacity is at maximum level in the transmission. So then we're going to remove the pump and put the filler plug on. we can see oil is starting to come out of the filler hole, so that means we're going to remove the pump and put the filler plug back on. Now that we remove the hose, we can see it's only dripping, so I'm going to pump a little bit more fluid in there, and then I'm going to remove the pump and put the filler plug back on. We can see there is a steady flow now, so we'll wait for about 5 or 10 seconds, and then we're going to put the filler plug back on and tighten it. We don't want the flow of oil to be too much, so I'm still waiting a little bit before putting on the oil filler plug. So now I'm going to put the filler plug back on and tighten it, and that's how you replace the transmission oil on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.